Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. It's a brand new day. Focusing in on a vehicle that I haven't actually showed you guys officially. So usually when you get a car, like on a newer car, you take it to the shop for service. And I was all the way down for that, but I wasn't aware that you had to pay for it. I thought it was all covered by warranty. So that, I'm gonna just do this shit myself. I know how to change oil. It's gonna be real easy, just quick oil change. So yeah, let me just drive it over to my Buick where I got all my tools, and we're gonna jack her up. All right, I got it in a more shady area. I gotta be known in Cornwall by now for always working on my cars in front of people's houses and leaving them there. They just see me walking up, pulling up with a car, and they're just like, fuck. I got my Buick over here. It's been here for like a week. Just in front of these people's house, right in front of the driveway. We actually got to pick up oil and stuff, now that I think about it. Just go get my water bottle, go to AutoZone, get some oil, get an oil filter. So according to my instruction manual, it says to use Castrol Edge, and then it says that my vehicle takes 6 quarts of 0W20. Well, AutoZone didn't have what I need, so I had to take a stop at Advanced Auto Parts. I got all my I've never heard of this brand before. Man filter. It's a German brand. Volkswagen's a German. Figured it'd be a good brand. Can't stop at any of these AutoZones or Advanced Auto without seeing a cool Hot Wheels. So I had to grab that. Got hella oil. 6 quarts of oil. And I was gonna get an air filter, but them things expensive, bro. So I'm just gonna check the air filter. And if she seems all right, I'll just leave it be until the next time I have to do some routine maintenance. Speaking of routine maintenance, I'm sorry that this is a routine maintenance kind of video. It's pretty boring, but I gotta make content, and this is what's going on in my life right now. So shout out to anybody watching. I really appreciate you guys. Somebody's pulling up, so subscribe. I appreciate it. And let's start this car up. She's overheating. Let's hope she makes it home. I honestly have no idea why she's overheating. It's only like a five minute drive home. So I'll see you at the crib. Hopefully I'll make it. So I've been under this car for like 20 minutes wasting time looking for an oil filter, and I had to look it up on Google, and apparently it's on the top of the engine. The only thing I found down here, obviously, is the drain plug. That's right here. It's like a plastic one. Looks like you could just get like a flathead screwdriver right here and twist it off. So this is the oil pan. I took this piece off right here, but I guess I didn't have to do all that. It had just like these little 4 screws with the hex, whatever you call this. I don't know. You didn't have to take that off anyway. So, like I said, I was wasting time down there. Pop off this cover. And this one stayed on, whatever. I don't know why that stayed on. So that's back. Cool. So, oil filter right here. That's weird. Super weird. This is the engine, huh? Very interesting. Was that a turbo, guys? I would assume that's the turbo. Can you comment below and let me know? Can't really see it too well. Oh yeah, Yeah, it's the turbo. Alright, still comment below and let me know that's the turbo, just so I have comments on my video. Alright, so what we're gonna do is loosen that bottom one, that to empty out all the oil, and then I'll come back up here. And I already stripped it. How? Swear to God, man. Oh, there's a slot in there. Damn it. I gotta walk all the way over there to my house to get the tool. Alright, we're wasting daylight. It's about to be 5 o'clock. All the people from the office are about to get home. They about to start getting upset. So we gotta hurry this shit along. Alright, boom, boom. This goes into the real slot in there. Alright, well, probably just broke this bullshit. This thing, I can't tell if I broke it. Let me lower the car down so it gets rid of everything. I don't have any goddamn rags. Your boy is prepared. Alright. So she's flowing. The filter is 32. Go to the left asshole. Yep. Put this over here. Okay. That's the oil. Guess we could open this up, let it flow even better. So they got the Audi filter. I kind of want that one now, but I just have to do it next time. For now, I'm just doing the man filter. It's also from Germany, so should be fine. But that one, I like the Audi, the old logo on that. That's dope. Ugly filter, brand new filter. This goes in here. I assume with the words up, because that's how the Audi one was. Give it a nice little push, soft push. There she is, and she's in. Now I just tighten this to 25 Newton meters. All right. Just gonna take this off for now. As far as I can tell, this little rubber O-ring where about 30 fingernails touching is where it seals this bolt to the oil pan. So I don't think I broke anything important. Comment below if I did. But as far as I can see, this just twists right into the oil pan. You got the rubber O-ring to just seal it. And out here is just some stripped bolt. So I'm just going to throw it back in. And that's it. It just snaps back in. Interesting. There's really not any pressure that goes to that. But this is also plastic, so I didn't assume that you have to tighten it hard. It's just interesting that little O-ring doesn't take much to seal it. But that's that. All done. Now I can just lower this car, put on that oil filter, and fill her up with some fresh oil. New O-ring. Don't forget that, guys. It's always good to replace any type of gasket when you're taking something off that has a gasket. And then just gonna hand tighten it first since it's plastic. You don't want it to go into the wrong thread. Whoa. A little bit over half of a quart for this one, just to make sure I don't overfill it. Alright, I think everything looks good. I'm gonna start the car for a second. Just wait for the RPMs to go lower and I'll turn it off and check the oil. And then that should be it. Yeah, should be it. Went from a drifting channel to a proper maintenance channel. So sorry for that, but thank you guys for watching again. And if you did watch, subscribe, because if you made it this far, like, come on. That's it, y'all. Have a great day. Enjoy your lives, and I'll see you next time.